Professor Gizmo.
Hi, Sparky. Welcome, Alex. Ready to learn? Yes.
How does a light bulb work?
Beep, beep.
This is a light bulb. When we turn it on, it glows.
But how does it glow?
Great question. Let me explain. First, electricity flows through wires, like water through a pipe.
Electricity flows?
Yes, like this. Inside is a thin wire called a filament.
Filament. What does it do?
That's the magic part. When electricity flows through the thin filament, it heats up.
It gets hot?
Very hot. Hot enough to GLO.
Beep, beep.
When something gets super hot, it glows and makes light.
Oh, like fire glows.
Exactly. Very smart.
Beep.
So it needs electricity to work?
Yes, no electricity, no light. With electricity.
L-I-T.
Wow. The electricity travels in a CI circuit, a complete loop.
Like a circle?
Perfect. From battery through bulb, back to battery. What about the switch?
The switch breaks or completes the circuit. Up, close, light. Down, open, dark.
I control the electricity.
Why is it inside glass?
The glass protects the hot filament from oxygen and air. Without glass, it would burn up.
Smart design.
Now we have different types: old bulbs, CFL bulbs, and LED bulbs.
Which is best?
LED uses less electricity. LED bulbs use much less energy but give you same light.
So they save electricity?
And save money. And help Earth.
Beep. Light bulbs are everywhere.
Yes. In homes, streets, cars, flashlights, everywhere we need light.
Beep, beep.
So electricity flows through the wire, heats the filament, and makes light.
Perfect explanation, you understand.
Beep, beep. Science is cool. Thanks, Professor.
Thanks, Sparky.
This was awesome. Come back next time. What will we learn next?
How magnets work.
Can't wait. Bye.